Welcome back, everyone. Earlier in the show, we told you how a husband and wife legal team were able to take control of an elderly woman's estate after she died.
The I-Team's Craig Heirs is back, and he's found that there are other similar cases. And Craig, what have you found out about these other cases?
Well, good evening, Mark and Craig. Well, earlier we introduced you to Jason and Shalise Millette. He's an attorney, she's a fiduciary. They handle probate cases, and that's when a person's assets are taken care of in court. Now, one family tells 12 News that the Millettes have held on to their inheritance for nearly 2 years.
Yeah, I got a payment for less than a fifth of what should be coming my way, and that's it.
That's Michael Zella-Husky, who lives in London, England. His stepmom, Carol Jean, died on Christmas Day, 2023, in this Gilbert retirement home. 4 days before her death, Jason and Shalise Millette became the personal representatives or trustees of her estate, worth more than $1 million, according to a family member.
I didn't have a chance to talk with him or know anything about him, do any background research on him. I didn't know where the will was. Is there a will?
Michael says he's not sure his stepmom was competent to sign her will and give control to the Millettes.
I can't testify that she was 100%, 100% there and qualified to be taking, signing documents.
He and another family member told 12 News they've been waiting nearly 2 years for the Millettes to distribute funds from the estate. Michael said his father died before his stepmom, and nearly all the assets had been sold by the family by the time she died from a tumor.
I cannot understand any delays. This shouldn't have taken that long at all because everything had been dealt with.
The Zella-Husky case is among 6 involving the Millettes dating to 2007 that 12 News found. In each one, Elderly Valley residents gave the couple control of their estates after they died. One case involved Patricia Lane. She died in 2009, and Jason Millette listed himself as personal representative according to court records. However, Lane's sister, Sheila Hofer, was upset at how things were handled. She filed a bar complaint against Millette, alleging he charged over $43,000 in excessive fees from her sister's estate.
They charged a whole bunch of extra money. They didn't come to her memorial service.
An arbitrator, however, only found that Hofer, who now lives in Virginia, was owed just more than $10,000 from the estate of her sister. Another thing upset her. Hofer said the Millettes told her she would have to buy any of her sister's belongings despite caring for her.
She had a lot of clothes, and the clothes that she had were beautiful clothes. And I mean, if I wanted them, I could buy them, but they took them.
The Millettes say they have more than 10 years of experience in trust, wills, and probate law, according to their website. 12 News made several efforts to reach the Millettes. We called and emailed them and visited their Mesa office.
I'm sorry, we can't come out and talk.
They declined to comment, saying they could not divulge attorney-client privilege. Tonight on 12 News at 10, we talked to a Phoenix lawyer who will give advice on how to get your financial affairs in order and how much it will cost. With photojournalist Chris Latella, I'm Craig Harris, 12 News.